Hi, my name is Andrej Prokes and I'm the chef consultant for the CHEF brand. And I'll be introducing you to cook, we've got varieties of lamb, so we're going to be braising some lamb shoulder, rack of lamb, we're going to be cooking it in the oven, using the all natural stocks from the lamb stock. We're going to make like a cassoulet, so cassoulet with some broad beans, some cocoa beans are going to be in there, with some spring onions, make a small salad with some goat's curd, black garlic and sun-dried tomatoes, so a little bit refreshing. So first of all, we will be starting by braising the lamb shoulder, which takes about 2 to 2.5 hours in the oven by 180 degrees. Let it roast and get a nice and crispy skin. Once the roast and crispy skin is there, you pour the fat off and then you pour half of it until it's half covered with lamb stock we have here on natural stocks. So you pour in the lamb stock into it and let it braise in the oven for the next an hour and a half and keep always tasting it. So during the time the lamb is braising, we're going to get a couple garnishes ready. So we're also going to start cooking the rack of lamb as well. So now when the lamb has been braised and we sort of like shredded it in small dices, yeah, we have the excess lamb sauce from the stock. We basically just put this into it and just gently heat it through. Next step, as we have the haricot beans, the peas in, broad beans into. Also for the cassoulet, for the lamb cassoulet, we're going to be putting some shallots which are blanched, just rings, yeah. Sun-dried tomatoes, just roughly chop them. Lamb rack, rested 5 minutes. Next dish we're going to be doing courgette flowers. So the courgette flowers, cut it in half. So courgettes in the pan, try not to get them too dark. Now the next step is going to be, we're going to be using the black garlic. So it's black garlic from the CHEF range, signature range. Black garlic mayonnaise into the dish. So we're now pretty much ready to finish the dish with the braised lamb shoulder cassoulet. Lamb rack, some goat's curd with some courgette flowers and some black garlic mayonnaise on the side.